everyone, welcome to Crafty Minds YouTube channel. Today we're going to be working on a bubblegum bead necklace. As you can see, it's made up of lots of beads that look like bubblegum, but they're absolutely not edible. These are bubblegum beads made out of resin, and they come in different colors and sizes, and these are 22 millimeters, and they come in lots of different styles as well. You can get rhinestones, you can get shiny ones, glass ones. Today we're using a kit from Crafty Minds. It's a necklace kit, and it comes with a clay pendant, elastic thread, spacer beads, and 20 different bubblegum beads. So the clay pendants are all handmade. There's one example, and they're on a bail so that you can hang them up on your necklace. So what you'll need today is a bead board. If you don't have a bead board, as long as you've got a flat surface, a scissors, which you should only be using with an adult, and your Crafty Minds necklace kit. And in the kit, like I said, you will have everything you need. Let's open it up. So you have your clay pendant. Open that up and place it on the bead board. And you will find the spaces. There should be 21 spaces for 20 beads on your necklace. Go. And an elastic cord and your 20 bubblegum beads. Okay, so the first thing to do is to design your necklace. So your pendant sits right in the center, and then you design your necklace by putting these beads right round this curve. So we have 10 on one side and 10 on the other. I like to make my necklaces symmetrical, so they've got the same beads in the same pattern on each side. You can make yours however you like. Go. Just follow the pattern, just like that. Okay, so the next step is to simply thread. So what I like to do is have a knot at the end of my elastic, and that keeps the beads from running out that side. So I always start with a spacer. These are called spacer beads, and they put spacers in between each bead. So we start threading through, and we start from one side and we go all the way around, just like so, not forgetting the spacer in between. Crafty Minds website at www.craftyminds.com.au, you'll be able to find lots of different style kits for necklaces. So if you click on shop and you click on the necklaces, you'll be able to find lots of different characters, lots of different kits to buy. And everything, like I said, is in the kit, so you don't need to worry. The only thing you may need is a bead board if you'd like to work with one, which is one of these, or as long as you're working on a flat surface, you should be fine. And you'll need a pair of scissors, and like I said, scissors should only be used with adults around. Okay, so that we just continue this slowly, no rush. Take your time, enjoy the process of creating. Go. Not forgetting these spacer beads. It's easy to forget these spacer beads, but in the end they look amazing once the necklace is done. Now if your elastic end gets a little bit frayed like this one, you can ask an adult to chop off the end so that it's nice and sharpish, nice and clear. You'll go through the bead much quicker. And the spacer. Okay, we keep going. These kits are great for kids' parties or gifts, or just having one at home, doing one for adults or children. Anyone can use these kits. They look amazing. So here we've gotten halfway and we're threading through, as you can see, the pendant. Show you where we're up to. As you can see, up to this side here. And now we're just going to keep going. And I think I've forgotten that spacer, so that's why it's important to keep going with the spacers. And if you forget, you simply just go back a little bit and keep going. So we don't recommend these kits for kids under the age of 4. They are a choking hazard, these beads and the spacers. So if a child under the age of 4 would like to do it, they absolutely should be creating this necklace, these necklaces with an adult present. We don't want anyone getting hurt. Like we said, these are not edible, even though they're called bubblegum beads. They are resin beads and not to be put near the mouth. Okay, coming up towards the end. A little bit tricky finding these holes. And then next one. Okay, and one more spacer. That and one more bead. And we are done. There we go. Alright, so now we have thread through. As you can see, it's time to tie it up. So what we do is we do a normal tie up, not a little bit tight, so we just pull a little bit so that these two beads will end up sitting close together, and then we do another knot and make sure that is really tight so that we don't break that necklace and the necklace stays intact. And then we cut it about 1/2 centimetre. There we go, like that. And there's your knot. And then the last step is to push that knot gently and hide it in that bead. And there is your bubblegum bead finished necklace. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And turn on that notification so that you don't miss any of my new videos coming up. Have a great day. Bye.